Welcome to our video review of the Meguiar's G55012 car cleaning kit. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the contents of the kit and discuss its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you determine if it's the right choice for your car cleaning needs. Contents of the kit. The Meguiar's G55012 car cleaning kit comes with several products to help you clean, protect, and maintain your car surface. The kit includes Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Liquid Wax, Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner, Meguiar's Quick Detailer Mist and Wipe, Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels. Features and benefits. Let's take a closer look at each product in the kit and discuss its features and benefits. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner is a premium formula that gently cleanses and conditions your car's surface, leaving a shiny, streak-free finish. Its advanced formula features a blend of cleaning agents and conditioners that work together to remove dirt and grime without stripping away wax protection. Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Liquid Wax is a premium car wax that provides a deep, reflective shine and long-lasting protection for your car's paint. Its advanced formula contains a blend of carnauba wax and polymers that create a protective barrier against the elements, including UV rays, acid rain, and environmental pollutants. Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner is a quick and easy way to clean and protect your car's interior surfaces, including leather, vinyl, and plastic. Its unique formula contains UV protection to help prevent fading, cracking, and drying out of your car's interior surfaces. Meguiar's Quick Detailer Mist and Wipe is a versatile product that can be used to remove light dust, fingerprints, and smudges from your car's surface. Its advanced formula features a blend of cleaning agents and lubricants that safely and gently remove contaminants without scratching your car's paint. Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels are high-quality microfiber towels that are designed to be gentle on your car's surface while providing excellent absorbency and durability. They are safe to use on all surfaces, including paint, glass, and chrome. Drawbacks. While the Meguiar's G55012 car cleaning kit offers several benefits, it does have some drawbacks. One potential drawback is that the kit contains basic products and does not include specialty products for specific cleaning needs. Additionally, the kit does not include a clay bar or a polishing compound, which may be necessary for heavily soiled or scratched surfaces. Overall, the Meguiar's G55012 car cleaning kit is a great choice for those looking for a basic, all-in-one kit to clean, protect, and maintain their car's surface. However, if you have specific cleaning needs, such as heavily soiled or scratched surfaces, you may need to purchase additional products. We hope this review has helped you make an informed decision about the Meguiar's G55012 car cleaning kit. Thanks for watching.